We are the leading manufacturer of automotive textiles.
All right, we good?
Headliner systems, armrest, headrest, speaker coverings. We have 4 locations throughout the upstate. We have one in Spartanburg. We have any kind of soft touch fabric in a vehicle would be us. All right, y'all can go ahead, just go right over here. I wanted to show them there's a lot of opportunity no matter where your future holds. The upstate is rich in manufacturing, and we believe we're one of the places that we would invite them to come try out.
I thought it was great. I saw a lot of cool, interesting things I've never seen before. How even the manufacturing part even works.
You know, they said they were in like pretty much every car you can think of. I thought that was really cool. You know, all of that just comes right out of little Marietta.
We are really trying to facilitate tours as often as we can. We feel like that exposure to real world industry, to get into the building, to see it, it sparks a curiosity that maybe they would not get in the classroom or through a presentation.
And if you reach over and touch this is more of a body cloth. It's a much thicker fabric. If you want to come straight out of school and go into the workforce, that's available. If you want to come out of school and you want to go to a 2-year technical local institute and then come here, that's available. If you want to go to a 4-year school, get an engineering degree, and then come back here, that's available. They can be on the ground floor of something that's happening here in the upstate that then has a global impact.